Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Xochitl. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with all of my videos. Today, I wanted to do a review on a new mascara because I love me some mascaras. And Essence came out with a new one. I've tried some Essence mascaras that I've really liked, and this one intrigued me. This is the Double Trouble mascara. This is in the shade Extra Black. I'm not sure if they have other ones, but it's supposed to give you volume, definition, and length. And the part that I was most intrigued by was the wand. It's supposed to be a dual-ended wand, so it has two different sides. I don't know if you can see the difference, but like you have like the tiny little bristles, and then you have this side which usually adds that, like, I feel like drama fiber type things. So it's kind of like, I know a lot of us will be like, I use two different mascaras with different wands to get different results. Like one of them will add so-and-so. This is basically it. So I wonder how it's gonna work. This is only $5.99. I got mine at Ulta. So, and I was trying to read like the instructions, which side do I use first? So I'm gonna do one eye with one side first and the other eye with the other side first, just to see. But I usually do 2 coats in general, so this is gonna be interesting. Do I do 3 coats? Let's just play around with it and we will see how this goes. So this is my first impressions. I have not tried this. Let me get my handy dandy little mirror and I'm gonna see. I feel like I want to extend, so I'm gonna go with, I don't know if you guys can see the difference here, maybe on this side. So you can kind of see the tiny bristles, and then I feel like these are the fiber bristles. So I'm gonna go with the, like, kind of what I think will give me length. We'll spread out my lashes, or maybe I should use that at the end. Yeah, let's just do that on this side and see if there's a difference. So I'm gonna go in with the tinier bristles first. And I guess it would be 2 coats, right? That way. Oh, interesting. Okay. So let's see. And as you can see, my lashes are nothing special. So you can really see if a mascara works. And don't mind the mascara on my lids. We will let that dry and flake that off. Here's just that side. So I use the smaller bristle side. Now let's go in. I'm gonna dip in for like as my second coat. So I think that's how I'll do it. And see, and then we'll do flip side on the other eye. So nothing special. Let's see what this side will do. All right, let me just let this dry off so I can flake so we don't get distracted. I'm the worst. Okay, so I went in, I just let the mascara on my lids dry, flaked it off with a Q-tip, and this is what we have for this eye. It's nice. It's nice. I'm gonna do the reverse, and I'm going to start off. So this is the rubbery bristle side, and this looks like more like the fibery bristle side. So I'm gonna start with the fibery bristle side on this side and see if that makes a difference. Because there weren't really, at least on the old websites, did not really help me with the instructions. So it's nice, it's not bad. I like how it didn't clump. It's not too thick of a formula, but it's not like too watery. So let's see if it makes a difference on this side. All right, that's just with the like softer bristle side. And I'm gonna go in. And at least it doesn't pick up like too much product either, which is nice. Where is it? Now I'm gonna go with the rubbery bristle side, the smaller bristles. And maybe, oh, okay, see, I think I like that. I like that better. It definitely separated the lashes. I'm wondering, I don't want to mess it up, but no, let's keep just, I like that way better. It gives me a really nice wispy effect, length. Okay, so it might be a little bit tricky to kind of see their difference. If there is a slight difference, and I feel like I noticed it when I added this to my bottom lashes, same kind of steps. So I did the fibery bristle side first and then rubber on my left eye, and I started with the rubber and then the fibery bristle side on my right eye. I think I slightly favor starting with the fibery bristle side and then the rubbery bristle side. I feel like it just adds, if you can kind of see, especially in the bottom lashes, it adds a little bit more drama, a little bit more length. I feel like it stays a little bit shorter if you start with the rubbery and then the fiber. So it's like almost maybe like the fiber is the one that like adds that length, obviously, fibers. And then when you just like end with the rubbery bristle side, it just kind of wiggles everything out to kind of make sure it doesn't clump. In general, it doesn't clump, which is nice. So, and it just kind of gave it maybe a little bit more of a wispy effect when you start with the fiber side and then wiggle everything out with the rubber side. It's very slight. It's cute. But I have maybe mascaras that give me a little bit more drama, which I prefer. Like, I've been loving the Milani, what is it called? The Milani Highly Rated Anti-Gravity Mascara. And then the other one, actually, I've been really liking that Rare Beauty one because it does add a little bit more fullness. So I think that's maybe what I am missing from this mascara is I like a little bit of that fake fullness in a way. But this gives you that really pretty wispiness. So it all comes down to preference. I know when it comes to mascara, like sometimes I'm like, I need all the drama. But then like those other mascaras I've been like, it's not as dramatic. It gives me like a really nice sultry effect. I've been liking sultry mascaras. What do you guys think? I will wear this throughout the day just to see how it flakes and or if anything else, if it does smudge. So I will check back in a couple of hours. Okay, so it's been about 6 hours now and just wanted to do a quick check-in before I wash my face to work out. But mascara looks good. There's honestly like no flaking. It doesn't feel heavy or anything. It actually feel really, really lightweight, very comfortable. It's growing on me. The look is growing on me, definitely, as I like been filming some things. I'm like, oh, hey, okay, I like the mascara. It's a good mascara. I like it, but it wasn't anything outstanding to me. I like it. I'm not in love with it. For $6, it's a pretty good mascara. So if you're looking for a $6 affordable mascara, Essence Double Trouble, it's done nice. It's done nice. You can see the difference. From this eye to this eye, let me know which side you preferred more, but can't go wrong for an affordable mascara that you can actually experiment with and see which steps work best for you. But I was curious. Let me know if you were curious or if you tried it out and or maybe what combination worked best for you using the like rubber bristles first and then like the fiber length ones or vice versa. But both seem to work pretty well, minor differences, so comment down below if you would pick this up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up with the rest of my videos, and I'll see you all next time.